What's up, everyone? This is Jace's Own World. There's some cars. It's a busy street here in Utah right now, but it's a beautiful sunny day. I'm actually sitting behind my car because it's really windy. It's really windy right now. And an iPhone 10 does not do very well with the wind. So I'm staying behind my car so I don't catch that wind. But anyways, here's a video of the exhaust cutout from ECS Tuning that I have installed in my MK7 GTI. I'm going to give you some in-cabin footage, so go ahead and check this video out, and I hope you like it. The one thing that I love about this exhaust cutout, being able to turn it off just like that. Now it's nice and quiet, but when I want to disrupt runners on the side of the road like this, just open it up, do a little second gear here at this stoplight, you'll tow it and just come down. That's one thing I love about the manual, is you get to do all the inputs yourself. The heel toe, the rev match, the shifting, the clutch. Now I do DoorDash on the side for some income while I'm in school to pay all my bills and stuff. And yes, the manual does get daunting, having to shift all the time and put my foot in the clutch. But when I'm not working, or when I'm not just city driving or whatever, it's much funner. I've driven DCTs, PDKs, McLaren, whatever they're called, dual clutch, DSGs. I've driven so many of them, and they do give you a little bit of connectivity, but they just don't give you the amount of connectivity that you get in a manual, which is why I have a manual. I just got new tires on my car, so I don't really want to spin. Tires are expensive. Hopefully you can hear that. You know, I was also thinking that you might want some in-cabin footage, but with the windows down. Here's a little bit. I'm doing all this with one hand, so bear with me, all right? It's kind of hard to do that with just my left hand while steering and shifting and holding on to my camera with my right hand. But here's some third gear right here. Hopefully this comes out well on the video. So I'm gonna stop this because number one, I don't want to get pulled over because I can't afford a ticket. Number two, I'm being super reckless driving with one hand and recording. And I don't think that's gonna go well when I get a ticket. Hope you enjoy that. I'm cruising right now with the exhaust cutout closed, with the windows down. As you can see, oh, there's a cop. Bloop. Bloop. As you can see, not very loud. But let me switch on the exhaust cutout. Right there. It's on now. Turn it back off. Right there. Flip off. Nice and quiet again. That's the nice thing about having the ECS Tuning exhaust cutout, or any exhaust cutout. From what I've seen with other exhaust cutouts, the ECS Tuning one is definitely the best put together one. It's solid, it's a nice design, easy to install. So there you have it, guys. That's the ECS Tuning exhaust cutout. I think it sounds pretty awesome. It is pretty loud and it rattles quite a bit inside the cabin, but I don't use it all the time. That's the nice thing about it. I don't use it all the time, and I can flip it on and off. I mostly flip it off because it's so loud. I'm a little older. I just don't like droney loud sound all the time. But when I'm cruising through a canyon, or I'm like spiritly driving through a freeway, or if I just want to show someone what's up, so they just have a double take at my car, then I turn it on. But that's the nice thing about having an exhaust cutout, or having an exhaust with a Valvetronic cutout, is you can flip it on and off with the switch. So there you go. There's some in-cabin footage for you. Hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll get back at you with some more videos in the future. Let me know what you guys want. I'm all up for ideas on making videos. Right now I'm just taking it on my iPhone 10. So I have a couple things that I ordered, so it'll be a little more secure in my car, so I can actually make more videos. I work for DoorDash, so I'm gonna make some DoorDash videos. But other than that, let me know what you want to see, and I'll do my best to make those. I try to comment back to everyone that comments, so tell your friends, and yeah, go get those exhausts, whatever you want. It's an awesome thing that ECS provides, and it's very solid, and it's gone through 3 winters and 0 issues with rust or anything like that. So it's a solid piece. So check them out, ECS Tuning. I'll put their link in the description, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.